Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I'm filming budget beauty buys. We are out right now at the stores and I'm starting out my day filming at Burlington. Now this is actually a different Burlington. I've never been to this one before. This is around the area that I live in now, and yeah, I've never been here before, so I'm curious to see what it's gonna be like because last time Burlington totally stole the show. There was so much high-end makeup. I was literally shocked. I think you guys were shocked too. So I want to see what they have, and if you guys have never seen these videos before, basically what I do is I go around to discount stores and look for discount high-end makeup. It could also be like discounted drugstore makeup. So if you guys have never subscribed to my channel before, I hope you will. It's going to be the first link down below my description box, or you could hit that red button. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Just like these budget beauty buy videos, I basically do these every single week. So I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna go start shopping.
So I found another of the Tarte Dream Big palettes. This is $19.99. And I also found, this is a really good one, the Balm Big Mama. This is an amazing blush. This is only $6.99 here. This is seriously one of the most beautiful blushes ever. It has like a golden shimmer running throughout it. Never seen this before, so this is a really good find at Burlington. I also found this full-size Laura Geller Big Blush in Tropic Hues. I'm not sure how much it is because I don't see the packaging. Why aren't we focusing? There you go. I don't know where the packaging is, but this is really cool to find a full size. And I also see here they have the Laura Geller Spackle Primer in Champagne, except I don't know what the price is because it doesn't say, but there are two of them here. Okay, so I also found the Laura Geller Make Me Blush 5-piece collection, and this is a really cute bag. There's everything you get inside. This is $19.99. Really cute, and they have a bunch of them right here. I found the BH Cosmetics Wild Child palette. I've seen this before. It's a little bit messed up. Well, there's one missing, but this is does not say. I don't know how much this is.
Hey guys, I really love this blush. It's a Physicians Formula. I forget the name of it, but I'll link it down below. I think it's really pretty. Anyways, and I also went a little bit heavier on my highlighter today because I felt like I wasn't highlighting enough, so I amped it up today. Maxx right now, and I want to see if there's any good stuff here. This one always has some good stuff, so let's go inside and see what we got.
See is this Lorac Self Tantalizer Body Bronzer Gradual Self Tanner. This is $5.99. I also found this really cute set from Real Techniques. It's their color correcting set. So it has like the 4 different color corrector brushes and then 4 corresponding mini sponges. And this is $7.99. Found a Coola sunscreen for $15.99. This is a really awesome brand for sunscreen, and this is in the Citrus Mimosa scent. They have the Too Faced Size Queen mascara. I have never seen this before. Why aren't we focusing? This is, does it say? It doesn't say how much it is, but it has like a really big brush. So they have tons of the Makeup Revolution Cover and Conceal palette for $4.99. They also have the Protection palette for $4.99. It has blushes, contour, highlight, and blending concealers. They also have the Stripped and Bare Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette for $4.99. The Makeup Revolution Affirmation eyeshadow palette. Get a ton of shades in here. This is $5.99. This is the inside of the Cargo Star Wars palette. It's like really neutral mattes and some shimmers. And they have this Lorac highlighter and matte bronzer duo. This is $7.99. They have a few of them here. That's really cool. And they have the Pixie and It's Judy palette for $7.99. Actually have 2 of them. I am so surprised to see this here. I love this palette. If you guys find this, definitely get it. It's one of my favorite drugstore palettes, and $7.99 is an amazing price. We have the Smashbox Full Exposure Little Mini palette for $14.99. They have a few of them here. They have a bunch of the Kat Von D Study Kiss lipsticks. This is in a Motorhead. This is $7.99. Cathedral here. Cathedral, Motorhead, and Poe for these. They have the Butter London Wink eyeliner for $9.97. Looks like an eyeliner pen. 2 more of those Too Faced Size Queen mascaras. We have the Lipstick Queen Chinatown Glossy Pencil in Pink Bluff. This is $6.99. This Clinique Blender System on clearance for $39. They also have this Too Faced waterproof or bulletproof eyeliner on sale for $3 in the color Minx. This brand I've seen at the Dollar Tree, so I don't know why they have it here for $4. This Global Beauty Care is a Dollar Tree brand. They have this Clinique Fresh Pressed Vitamin C Serum for $19.99.
Okay guys, so I found another TJ Maxx. I was actually going to a Marshall's that was a couple minutes away, and then I passed by the TJ Maxx. So I figured I would just come in here and see what they had. So let's go inside and see if there's anything good.
MAC satin lipsticks in the shade MAC Red for $99. And this Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge for $19.99 in Pretty Powerful 3. And they have the Spotlight palette for $14.99 and tons of the melted lipsticks for $4.99. Number 7 illuminating palette. This is really cute. I don't know how much this is, but it's super cute. The Smashbox Full Exposure palette for $14.99. The Makeup Revolution palette for $4.99. Tons of the Aurora Glow Kits. And they also have the Pixie and Judy palette for $7.99. This cute little set from Redken for $7.99. Has a shampoo, a conditioner, and a treatment. I found a couple new things and brought them over here because the girl is like stocking stuff, so I don't want to get in her way. I found the Butter London Blush Clutch. So it has 3 blush shades, and it looks like this like base one over here, and this is $7.99. I found this Burberry Lip Velvet lip color, and this is $11.99. This is in Coral Orange. If it would focus. There we go. I found a Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Candy Coral, and this is $7.99. And then I also found this Buxom Dolly Plump and Contour Lip Trio. It has, looks like a gloss and, what is this? A lip liner, a bold gel lipstick, and a full-on lip polish in Dolly. So that's a really nice set, and these are all new items. I think they just got in, so really nice. They also have this Pacifica Tuscan Blood Orange set, and this is $9.99. I also found this Bare Minerals Always Perfect set, and this is $6.99. It has a bare skin perfecting veil and also a little mini brush. I also have the little color correcting set we saw before. This is $7.89. This is, it looks like it's being put out now. And they have this other Real Technique set, and this is also $7.99. Okay, so I found another item you guys might be interested in. I've always wanted this. It's the Glam Glow Volcasmic Matte Glow Moisturizer. They have a few of them here, and this is a new one as well. So this is $34.99. This is so cool. I also found the Anastasia Liquid Lipstick in Sugar Plum for $7.99. And then I also found these deodorants from La Vanilla. They have these on sale at Ulta. They have Vanilla Passion Fruit and Vanilla Coconut, and they're $7.99. I've never seen these before at TJ Maxx, so these are new. I also found these contour kit refills from Anastasia for $3.99. So it's like a little magnetic refill, and this is in the shade Nutmeg. Saint Tropez tanning lotion for $2.99. It's like a little, kind of like a mini size, a little bit bigger than a mini. I also have this mirror from Impressions. It's like a fold-out mirror. It's really cool. This is $19.99, and it is in rose gold. This is so cute. Makes like a really good gift as well. It looks like they have this Elizabeth and James set. I don't know what comes in here. So it looks like you get a dry shampoo, a body oil, and a hand cream in the white fragrance. This is such a cute set. It is on clearance for, wow, $93. It's usually $100.
So it literally started raining like out of nowhere, so I was running out of the store. But that was such a good day today. I feel like we found a lot of unique stuff, brand new stuff that is just being put out. Finally, we're getting some new goodies, and I feel like there was like a lot of MAC and that volcasmic, I don't even know how to say that, Glam Glow matte moisturizer. I would totally buy that if I wasn't on a no buy. So definitely check that out. There was some MAC lipsticks, a lot of like those Burberry lipsticks, the Lavenel deodorants, lots of really good finds. So let me know if you guys found any of this stuff at your store. This is the first time I've been to this TJ Maxx, and I love trying out new ones. So if you found anything good at the discount stores, comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you guys as always for watching and coming shopping with me. As always, I had such a blast filming this, and I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!